Yo! Today is June 15, 2024 and it's Kobe's graduation from grade school. Hey Kobe! What can you say about your grade school life? Ang dami mong pinasukang school ng grade school. 1, nagpunta ka ng, ano nga yung school? Claret, grade 1. Tapos grade 2, Claret pa rin. Tapos grade 3, nag-pandemic pa. Twinkle Toes. Tapos grade 4, Twinkle Toes. Online yun, no? Tapos grade 5, grade 6, grabe, 3 school ng grade school. Happy ka naman. Dami ka natutunan. Lahat memorable. So you'll cherish this moment because ano to yung forming years mo, napaka-special ng grade school. And we're very happy and we're very proud of you, anak.
Composed of 69 boys and 20 girls. After careful scrutiny of the requirements submitted in the office of the principal, I therefore certify that these 89 candidates for graduation have fully satisfied the K-10 requirements, K-6 requirements prescribed by the school and the Department of Education. I hereby request your office to confirm the graduation of these 89 candidates.
Don Bosco Academy is a playground where giftedness, talents, and skills are discovered, harnessed, and used for God's greater glory.
Kobe, congratulations! Patingin! Show it! Show it! Show it! Open it! Let us see. Wow! Where's your name? Kobe Nathaniel Espayumo. Congrats na! Puha mo yan. Nice. Mamimiss mo yung classroom mo. Kobe! Kobe! Mama, say hi! Congrats kay Kobe! Memorable day for us. Kobe! Congratulations! Noah! Noah, ikaw naman next, ha? Grade school ka na. Or hindi pa? Hindi pa. See you guys later! Bye! Bye-bye na, Kobe! Happy graduation!